Hello. So today let's continue to talk about Linux open source firewall, LoongFire. So again, LoongFire is based on Linux open source firewall, IPFire. And so this is IPFire website. The IPFire Core 201 release has a new feature called DNS Firewall. So this is a web page to show how to use the DNS, how to configure the DNS firewall. Okay, so the LoongFire also have this DNS firewall feature integrated, and this is the web UI, the firewall web UI to manage the firewall. And here is the DNS list. It is classified as advertising, dating, gambling, games, malware, phishing, piracy, pornography, and shopping, smart TV, streaming, violence. So you can choose any one of those lists to block the DNS domains from your users. Okay, so very simple to configure. Now the problem is the DNS firewall from IPFire. It use the unbound DNS software to for the DNS filter. And one IPFire user from the IPFire community reported a problem here. That is the unbound consuming a huge amount of memory if the unbound DNS services is restarted. So here, like the blue color shows the used memory, and it is close to it is more than 65% memory usage. And so the problem is that the unbound software, DNS software, has some memory issue with this DNS firewall feature. So what we have in LoongFire is we can have we enabled the XDP acceleration for the DNS firewall. So we can do the DNS filter in the XDP express data path. So this is basically done in the filtered in the DNS is filtered in the network driver. If your network driver support XDP natively, and you got a very high performance, and so that's for traffic, high traffic speed, but also solve this memory issue used by unbound, because the XDP would bypass the unbound software, so the unbound would not even see the DNS traffic. blocked by the XDP. Okay. So again, two major points. The XDP accelerated the DNS filter. Second, it improves work around the memory issue from unbound. So let's demo and see how it works. First, let's check if we have XDP program loaded. So right now we have XDP loader status on the green 0 interface. So this is your gateway interface for your network users, for your local network users. And then right now it has two XDP program attached. XDP DNS, that is another DNS program to block DNS query based on the whole domain. Like if you put a YouTube, if you put like a youtube.com or example.com, then all the subdomain of example.com would be blocked. So this is another XDP program for TLS encryption, server name filter. Okay, so right now we don't have the DNS Firewall XDP program loaded. So we can now enable this XDP acceleration. Click Save. So now it's saved. And let's double check again to see if the DNS Firewall XDP program is loaded or not. So here, now we have a new XDP program called named DNS FW. That's the DNS Firewall XDP program. Okay, so it's loaded. It loaded and attached to the green 0 interface. And we have this DNS Firewall user space program to check. So right now, from the DNS Firewall block list, we don't have any domains added, because from the web UI we have not selected any block list from those categories. So now let's select one, select the dating, or let's select all of them and see if our XDP program eBPF map can handle all the DNS domain record. So there is like a 1 million, more than 1.2 million DNS record if we select all of them. So let's save. Okay. Now let's go to the user space program, XDP user space program. Let's just do a simple count. So from this DNS Firewall block list eBPF map, now we have 1,28,000 DNS domain record. So we can say search. We can show a domain. See this is a letsbound.com domain that is from the dating list, and see if this record is there or not. So it is. This record is in the BPF map, right? So let's do a test to to see if we can resolve this domain. We should not be able to resolve the domain because it is blocked by the XDP DNS firewall. But let's do a test. Let's bound.com. So this is our gateway IP address, firewall IP address for the internal network. And let's do this domain resolution. So you can see here there is no result, and eventually it will time out. Okay, so cannot resolve the domain. And now let's uncheck it, dating. Okay, save. So now we removed the dating block list, and now we should be able to resolve the let's bound.com. So immediately we got an answer for this let's bound.com IP address, right? Okay, so let's put it back on, save, and let's do the resolve again. It will time out. Right? Timeout. Okay, so let's check our memory usage here. Status, memory, and let's put an hour here. See, we have used memory. It's like a 3.78% for the blue. Cached memory is 2.35%. So the memory used by the XDP program, by the eBPF map is minimal, right? Not like the IPFire DNS Firewall memory that is used by the unbound software, right? So yeah, I think so. So this is good for if you have a lot of DNS traffic from your local users, and the XDP program will handle it very well. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you for watching.